What if one mango seed could give you 3 trees at the same time? Today I'm going to show you exactly how, and it's easier than you think. Look at these seedlings right here. This single seed produced 3 separate sprouts, and this one over here did the same thing. And they're less than 5 weeks old. Let me show you how I did it. First, your soil. Sandy soil works best, or a mix of sand and clay. Avoid heavy clay on its own. Now open your mango fruit and carefully remove the inner seed from the husk. Handle it gently, don't damage the edges. Here's the secret most people don't know. Do not bury this seed deep. Place it right on top of the soil, almost fully visible. The curved side faces up, the thick pointed end faces down. When you bury it too deep, you get one weak seedling. When you leave it near the surface, you get 2, sometimes 3 strong ones. Best time to plant is spring or autumn. You can plant in summer too, just avoid winter cold, because mango trees go dormant in January and stop growing completely. Place your pot under a tree or near other plants first. Mango loves shade and moisture in its early stage. Water every single day, lightly, not too much. Once you see growth, slowly move it from shade to filtered sunlight, then to full sun. Mango loves the sun when it's strong enough. Remove any yellow or damaged leaves regularly. Spray a light pesticide. Young mango leaves are very sensitive to insects. Feed with a small amount of liquid fertilizer or natural compost. Cow manure, bird droppings, or pigeon waste all work great. Once your tree is mature, fertilize twice a year, once in autumn, once in spring. Here's a bonus tip. When your seedlings reach about 50 centimeters tall, under 1 year old, you can do side grafting. Gently scratch the middle of 2 stems, press them together, and tie tightly. After 40 days they fuse into one powerful trunk, like a bonsai, and this speeds up fruiting dramatically. Now look at these roots, strong and healthy. I'm moving this seedling into a bigger pot with a sand and clay mix, keeping part of the seed visible at the surface. You can also plant directly into your garden in a sunny spot. Good luck and happy growing. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Seedling.